Hello there all young learners. So ready to explore something new, to read something new with your friend Aprajita? So here we start with our Acknowledge series of class 5 English Grammar by Amit Publications. So children, today we are going to learn to read chapter number 11 and the chapter is articles. What are articles? How to use articles? We all will learn this in this chapter. So here we start with our chapter. Yes. So let's read what John says to his sister. John and his sister both are having a conversation. दोनों आपस में बातें कर रहे हैं. क्या बातें कर रहे हैं? Let's see. I have bought a gift for you. John's sister says that she has bought a gift for him. The gift is very special. Here it is. She is having a gift box in her hand and she says this to John. What does John say? Thank you, sister. The gift is really special for me. So this is a small conversation. छोटी सी conversation है John और उसकी sister के बीच. In the above sentences, a and the are articles. A and the are articles. See, here some highlighted words are there. A, the, and here also the is highlighted. So this A and the are called articles. There are three articles, A, and the. Okay. A and an are indefinite articles. Children, there are three articles. तीन articles होते हैं, A and the. So these three articles, amongst these three, A and an are indefinite articles and the is a definite article. Indefinite article and definite articles. When we move ahead in this chapter, we will just read what are they. So let's move ahead. Let's study them carefully. ध्यान से सुनेंगे, देखेंगे और पढ़ेंगे. Indefinite articles. Now read the following sentences. There is a pineapple. She had a bowl of curd in lunch. So here also there is a pineapple and she had a bowl of curd. Fine. Article A is used before singular nouns beginning with a consonant sound. This article A, where do we use this article A? Article A is used before singular noun. See, pineapple is singular, only one. We are talking about one pineapple. She had a bowl of curd. A bowl of curd means one bowl of curd. So here we are using this a before singular nouns and beginning with a consonant sound. The sound which is coming is consonant. See, pineapple, P. P is a consonant, as you all know. Vowels, there are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, and other than that, the other alphabets are consonants. So P is also a consonant. Bowl, B, B. B is also a consonant. Now more examples are a table, a cup, a ship. Can you see here, in all these words, none of a vowel is used. Only the consonants are there. T is also a consonant, C is also a consonant and S is also a consonant. So, moving ahead. Now look at these sentences. The little child ate an ice cream. Here, an. See here, children. The little child ate an ice cream. What are the highlighted words here? An. She took an umbrella with her. The article an is used before singular nouns beginning with a vowel sound. Now see, article A was used with the singular nouns beginning with consonant sounds and here article an is used before singular. See, the noun is singular only, but it is starting with beginning with a vowel sound. Ice cream, I is a vowel. Here an umbrella, U is again a vowel. Now more examples are an arrow, an orange, an axe. Here all these are vowel sounds. See, A, O, A, these are all vowels. So a and an both are used with countable singular nouns. All these things can be counted. Fine, an arrow can be counted, oranges can be counted, and the axe can also be counted. So a and an both are used for with countable nouns and countable singular nouns. In both the singular nouns were used. Now what else? Now look at these words. Now there are some words here. Let's read. A university, an hire, a 1 rupee coin. The article a is also used before words that begin with a vowel but produce a consonant sound. Now children, see, article a is also used with words beginning with a vowel. See, vowel is O. O is a vowel, you all know O is a vowel, but it is producing a consonant sound. One, V. What is the sound here? V, one. In one, O is not coming out as a sound. The sound which is coming is V, one, V. So V is consonant sound. So that's why we have used a here. The article an is also used before words that begin with a silent consonant and produce vowel sound. Now see, this an is used before the words that begin with a silent consonant and produce a vowel sound. And higher, and higher. So H is not H is a consonant. H is a consonant, but it is producing a vowel sound. That's why we have used an here. Now fill in the blanks with a or an. We have to fill these blanks with a or an. Owl, an owl, because this is a vowel here. Mango, a mango. Igloo, I, vowel, an igloo. Aeroplane, aeroplane, an aeroplane. Vowel. Man, consonant, M is consonant, a man. Eagle, E is a vowel, an eagle. University, a university. A university, why a university, why not an? Because the sound which is coming is consonant sound, U. And this is a, so we have used a, okay, university. Doctor, a doctor. R, an R. Now you can say, ma'am, this is H. H is a consonant. So why are we using an? Because an is used with vowels. So this is producing a vowel sound. An R, R. O sound is coming. So that's why we write an R. Army, army and army. Vowel. Ostrich, again a vowel sound, an ostrich. And fox, consonant, a fox. Yes, was this a fun? It is a fun using a and an, because you have to just remember when to use a, where to use a and where to use an. You have to remember the consonants, the vowels, the vowel sounds, the consonant sounds. So let's see what else is there. Complete the sentences using a or an. Put a cross if no article is required. Maybe in any sentence कोई हमें आर्टिकल न यूज़ करना पड़े, ऐसा भी हो सकता है ना. तो जहाँ पे हमें ए और एन की ज़रूरत है वहाँ हम ए एंड एन लिखेंगे, और जहाँ हमें कोई आर्टिकल नहीं चाहिए हम एक क्रॉस लगा देंगे. ओके चिल्ड्रन, लेट्स स्टार्ट. डैश स्टोन एंड डैश आयरन शीट. A stone and an iron sheet, because I is a vowel. Idea, I vowel. An idea for a story. An idea for a story. I saw dash accident of dash car. I saw an accident of a car. Dash European artist and dash Russian doctor. A European artist, you, because the sound is coming you. So, a European artist and a Russian doctor. Dash noble master and dash honest servant. A noble master and an honest servant. And vowel sound is coming. An egg and a slice of bread. An egg and a slice of bread. Dash girl with dash map. A girl with a map. Dash onion and dash potato. An onion because the vowel is there and a potato. Dash European team. A European team because the consonant sound is coming. A European team for a football match. A European team for a football match. Dash pen and dash letter. A pen and a letter. So, here we are done with this exercise. So, now we will see the definite articles. So, let us read these sentences and keeping in mind these highlighted words too. I saw a man on the road. The man was in white shirt. So, here is highlighted and the is highlighted. The girl you talked was my friend. The girl, the. The word the is also an article. It speaks of something that is definite, which we know, yes, this is the definite, it is a definite thing which we are talking about. That is called an definite article, a definite article. We are sure that it points to a specific noun. We are 100% sure that this is pointing towards a specific noun. I saw a man on the road. The man was in white shirt. The man which I saw on the road was in white shirt. I am definite that the man whom I saw on the road was in white shirt. The girl you talked was my friend. I am sure that the girl, I am very definite that the girl with whom you talked is my friend. She is my friend. So, the is said to be a definite article. It points out to a definite noun because it points out to a specific or a definite noun. It can be used with singular nouns as well as plural nouns. Okay, children? A and an were used with singular nouns only, but here the can be used with singular nouns also as well as the plural nouns also. Use of article the. How to use? We use definite article the to refer to objects regarded as unique. Unique means that can be any other thing. Other than that thing, there cannot be a second moon like the moon, the sun. So, can there be any other moon or any other sun? No, there are only one moon, one sun. So, the moon, the sun. Before, where else we can use the before superlatives or ordinal numbers. We had done about the degrees of comparison, children. In the degrees of comparison, there were positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So, the is used with superlative degree. Okay, the highest award. Highest is superlative degree. So, we use the here. The first prize. First, ordinal numbers, as you know, you all must be knowing first, second, third, fourth. These are called ordinal numbers. So, with these ordinal numbers, we use the. To refer to a whole group. If we are referring to some group, then we use the. The Indians. So there are so many Indians, not only one Indian is there, there are so many Indians. So there's a group, we are talking about a group. So we are using the. The Japanese, again a group, we are talking about a group. When referring to a particular period of decades or group of years, when we are talking about group of years, many years, we are talking about many years together, there we use the. In the medieval times, the medieval time was there, so many years were there in medieval time, so we are using the there. During the 80s, in the 80s there are so many days, so we are using the. Next, where can we use? When we define or identify a particular person or subject. The man with the red shirt. The man with the red shirt. So here we are identifying a man who is wearing a red shirt. Fine. We are just talking about that man who is wearing a red shirt. So we are using the here. The window with the curtains. There are many windows, but I am talking about the windows with the curtains, who have the windows which have curtains on it. So I am talking about that particular window. So I am using the here. We have to use the here. Now, with some adjectives used as nouns. We can use the with some adjectives which are used as nouns. The rich. Now see here, there are some adjectives which can be used as nouns also, जिनको हम noun की, उन adjectives को हम noun की तरह भी use करते हैं. The rich. Rich is an adjective and it has been used as noun with the. So we are using the here. The rich. The poor. The sick. Now what else? Where else can we use the? With countries whose names include words like kingdom, states और republic. उन countries के names के साथ हम the use कर सकते हैं जिनके साथ kingdom लगाया जाता है या states लगाया जाता है या republic लगाया जाता है. उन countries के नाम के साथ the लिखते हैं. Like the United Kingdom, the Republic of Congo, the Federal Republic of Germany. Okay, with all these things, the United States of America, USA को क्या बोलते हैं? जब USA बोलते हैं तो the USA नहीं बोलते. When we speak United States of America, so we say the United States of America. Okay. With countries which have plural nouns as their names. Plural nouns means s जहाँ लग जाता है उनमें. जिस भी country के नाम के आगे s लग जाएगा, plural nouns की तरह work करते हैं, तो वहाँ हम the का use करते हैं. The Netherlands, see lands, s, plural. The Bahamas, here we use the. With again, what else? Where else can we use? With geographical features such as mountain ranges, groups of islands, rivers, seas, oceans and canals. With the names of newspapers, holy books, the names of organizations, etc. These are so many things with which we can use the. The Lakshadweep Islands, many islands together, there we are using the Lakshadweep Islands. The Deccan, okay, Deccan Plateau. The Himalayas, again a range of mountains, so we are using the Himalayas. The Indian Express, newspaper. Indian Express is a newspaper. Newspaper का नाम है Indian Express. उसके साथ हम the use कर रहे हैं. The Ramayana. It is a holy book. The Ramayana. So we are using the. The Mahabharata. The Red Cross. Understood, children? Now next, with well-known buildings or works of art. well-known buildings, जो प्रसिद्ध buildings हैं, उनके साथ the use किया जाता है. Like the Empire State Building, it's a very famous building. द चार मीनार, चार मीनार बहुत मशहूर है हैदराबाद का, सो उसमें भी हमने द लगाया। द मोनालिसा, सो जितने भी फेमस आर्ट वर्क हैं या बिल्डिंग्स हैं उनके साथ द यूज़ करते हैं। द गुप्ताज आर वेल सेटल्ड, द गुप्ताज अगेन। सो नेक्स्ट इज omission of article the. Omission means हटाना, कहाँ कहाँ the का यूज नहीं होता है। ओके, we do not use the with the names of most mountains. जो माउंटेन सिंगल जो जिस माउंटेन का नाम हम लिखते हैं उसके साथ हम कभी भी द का यूज नहीं करते। अब माउंट एवरेस्ट बोलते हैं तो हम माउंट एवरेस्ट ही बोलते हैं, द माउंट एवरेस्ट नहीं बोलते। माउंट एवरेस्ट को माउंट एवरेस्ट ही बोलते हैं। किलिमंजारो, माउंट किलिमंजारो। तो इनके द नेम्स ऑफ जितने भी माउंटेन्स हैं ना, सिंगल माउंटेन्स जिनके हम नाम लेते हैं उनके आगे हम द का यूज नहीं करते। नेम्स ऑफ सिटीज, किसी भी सिटी के आगे हम उसका नाम द का यूज नहीं करते हैं। द न्यू दिल्ली बोलते हैं? नहीं, वी स्पीक ओनली न्यू दिल्ली, वी से न्यू दिल्ली। न्यू दिल्ली, मुंबई, चेन्नई, न्यूयॉर्क। ओके, एंड नेम्स ऑफ कॉन्टिनेंट्स, जितने भी कॉन्टिनेंट्स के नाम हम लेते हैं उसमें भी हम ओनली वी राइट द नेम, वी डोंट यूज द देयर। एशिया, यूरोप, फाइन। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स, अभी एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स जो होते हैं उनके आगे भी हम द का यूज नहीं करते। एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स एज वी रेड अर्लियर हमने पढ़ा था, क्या होते हैं एब्स्ट्रैक्ट, ये एब्स्ट्रैक्ट नाउन्स जिसमें कि हमें फीलिंग्स का पता चलता है। Okay, the feelings are there: honesty, advice, beauty, love. They cannot be seen or touched. We read this ना, if you remember. So abstract nouns के आगे भी the का use नहीं होता। Uncountable nouns that name materials. Uncountable nouns that name materials. Wood, water, chalk and sugar. चॉक, शुगर, सॉल्ट, इनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, तो इनके आगे भी हम द नहीं लगाते। द शुगर, द सॉल्ट नहीं बोला जाता है। गिव मी सम शुगर, सम सॉल्ट। ओके, हाउएवर व्हेन दीज नाउन्स आर पर्टिकुलराइज्ड वी हैव टू यूज डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द। अब इसको पर्टिकुलराइज कैसे करते हैं, we'll see it further. Look at these sentences. Too much sugar is bad for health. अब यहाँ पे हमने द नहीं लिखा, शुगर से पहले द लगाया नहीं लगाया। Too much sugar is bad for health. Here we have omitted the हटा दिया है। Please pass me the sugar. Please pass me the sugar. अब बहुत सारी चीजें हैं रखी हुई, उसमें से हमें शुगर को चूज करना है, तो वहां हम कहते हैं प्लीज पास मी द शुगर। वहां हम द का यूज करते हैं स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्ट टू पॉइंट आउट एनी स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्ट। नाउ प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन्स, द नाउन्स विच आर यूज्ड इन प्लूरल्स एंड दे आर काउंटेबल ऑल्सो। बुक्स आर आवर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स, द इज omitted. इसमें द नहीं लगता है। जो प्लूरल काउंटेबल नाउन्स हैं उसमें द का यूज नहीं करते। बुक्स प्लूरल है ना, more than one book, this is plural and we can count also, ये countable भी है। Now names of languages, English and Hindi. English and Hindi are spoken in India. Here we are not using the. Why? Because here the is omitted. नेम किसी भी लैंग्वेज के लिए, किसी भी लैंग्वेज को जब हम किसी भी लैंग्वेज की बात करते हैं तो उसमें हम द का यूज नहीं करते हैं। वी हैव टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स एंड टू रिमेंबर ऑल दीज थिंग्स वी हैव टू, you all have to read this lesson very carefully. Now fill in the blanks with a, an or the. My mother gifted me dash purse on my birthday. My mother gifted me a purse on my birthday. Dash purse was very beautiful. Now we have to we are telling about a definite purse. कौन सा पर्स? जो मेरी मदर ने मुझे बर्थडे पे दिया, तो उसके लिए हम क्या करेंगे? एक डेफिनेट आर्टिकल क्या होता है? द पर्स वॉज वेरी ब्यूटिफुल. Dash more we have, dash more we want. The more we have, the more we want. Here we are telling about a definite thing कि जितना हमें ज़्यादा हमें मिलता है उतना हमें ज़्यादा expectation और होती है. So we are very definite, telling about a definite thing. The more we want, the more we have, the more we want. Dash rich must help dash poor. The rich must help the poor. Again we are talking about a definite person. जो rich हैं, देखिए rich को as a noun use किया गया है. The rich must help the poor. Here we are talking about a definite person. My sister wanted to be dash air hostess. My sister wanted to be an air hostess. A is vowel and before vowel we are using an. Dash intelligent person does not trust easily. An intelligent person does not trust easily. Why an? Because it starts with I, vowel. Dash empty vessel sounds much. An empty vessel sounds much. My mother chants dash Gita every day during morning time. My mother chants the, now here see, as we read that we don't use the Ramayana, the Mahabharata, okay. So here my mother chants Gita every day during morning time, the Gita, because we are talking about a particular holy book. So that's why we are using here the. Dash girl in white dress is my best friend. Again we are pointing out to a particular girl who is in white dress. So a definite article has to be used. The girl in white dress is my best friend. Now moving further, insert suitable articles where necessary and rewrite the sentence. We have to insert an article in between wherever necessary and again we have to write the sentence. I will just tell you where to insert the articles. You will write the sentence yourself. That is too difficult problem. That is too difficult problem. Now where to insert a and the? There are three articles. That is too a difficult problem. That is too a difficult problem. So we insert a here. That is too a difficult problem. Fine children? That is too a difficult problem. I never saw such big hall before. I never saw such a big hall. Such a big hall. Okay? Such a big hall before. In half an hour we shall reach Doctor's Lane. In half an hour we shall reach the Doctor's Lane. Particular, definite, the Doctor's Lane. We shall reach the Doctor's Lane. You have to rewrite the whole sentence, children. I am not writing the whole sentence. You all will write it yourself. I am just telling you where to insert the articles. English is language of English. English is a language of English. We are talking about a particular language. English is a language of English. One-eyed deer was shot by hunter. One-eyed deer, who shot the one-eyed deer? The hunter. Particularly we are talking about the hunter who had shot one-eyed deer. Apple you bought yesterday was sour. An apple you bought yesterday was sour. So before apple, an apple you bought yesterday was sour. Children came out from hall. Children came out from where? From the hall. A definite place, we are talking about a definite place, the hall, from the hall. And please wait for our for manager. So R, H-O-U-R-R. What will we put? Which article has to come before it? Please wait for an hour for the manager. Particularly हम manager की बात कर रहे हैं कि please wait for an hour, एक hour के लिए इंतज़ार कीजिए for the manager, manager के लिए इंतज़ार करना है. Fine children? So This exercise also completed. Now here we complete our chapter 2 about articles. I hope you have understood very well about the 3 articles a, and the, where to use and where not to use, where to omit the and where to use a and an. So here we end the chapter, and again I will be back with a new chapter. So till then, stay blessed, stay happy and stay connected. Bye.